Hey friends, if you wish to change font size in the Gmail inbox, then please watch this video. Now this is the Gmail inbox. We have a certain font size and a font type. So if you wish to change it, then here's what you can do. Click on the setting symbol, the gear like symbol here, and select see all settings. Now in the general tab itself, there's an option called as default text style. The first one is the text type. Okay, it sends serif by default, and the second one is the size, but we don't have a lot of options like in Microsoft Word. We just have small, normal, large, huge and all. So I will check it at large, and then I will save the changes, and now the font size is a little larger than usual. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.